welcome to Cooking Classy with the William F. Lehman Public Library System. My name is Shelby, and today I'll be showing you how to make crispy sesame schnitzel. Here's what you'll need to get started. 1 cup dried breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup panko breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon fine sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 4 boneless, skinless chicken breast halves, 1/2 cup vegetable oil. So first we'll begin by mixing up our breadcrumb mixture to coat the chicken with. So we'll get 1 cup of normal breadcrumbs, and then it's going to be 1/2 cup panko breadcrumbs. Next we'll add our 1/4 cup sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, and it's going to be a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. And now we'll give everything a stir just to make sure it's all well mixed. Next, we'll crack 2 eggs into a bowl. And beat them up. And last but not least, we'll prepare our flour mixture, which is 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of our sea salt, and then a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. And then we'll give it a quick whisk. Now we're ready to bread our chicken. Okay, so because this is schnitzel, you want your chicken or turkey cutlets to be as thin as possible. So we're gonna give each chicken breast a quick smash to flatten it out. So now it's time to coat our chicken, which we'll start out with the flour. Give it a quick dip in the egg. And then move to our breadcrumbs. And now we'll set our chicken off to the side in our skillet, which has been prepared with 1/2 cup of oil. Now that we've coated our schnitzel, I've set it in the skillet, which was prepared with 1/2 cup of oil, and we're going to let it cook on each side for between 2 to 3 minutes at 350. Now it's time to take our chicken out of the oil. You can already tell picking it up that it's going to have a really nice crunch. And now it's time for my favorite part of the program, the part where I get to eat. I can tell already that it's got a really nice crunch to it. The breading is pretty sturdy too, which is nice. Honestly, this recipe is really spot on. The chicken's nice and juicy, but the outside's crunchy and has a lot of flavor due to all the spices that you add to it. I could see myself serving this with mashed potatoes and some sort of tasty vegetable like broccoli. quite easily. And I honestly can't think of anything that I'd change about it. It's just honestly really good. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Please don't forget to join us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, as well as checking out our library website, lehmanlibrary.org. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more of our fabulous content, and have a wonderful day. Thanks, guys. Bye.